Neville Goddard Power of Imagination Summary. Welcome to the Imagination Effect, my channel about the law of attraction. Assumption. All things Neville Goddard and the power of your imagination. I'm Alice in Wonderland, and today I want to give you a summary of Neville Goddard's work on the power of imagination. Please subscribe for more. Neville Goddard's teachings on the power of imagination are a profound exploration of the human mind's ability to shape reality. He was a 20th century metaphysical writer and speaker who delved into the profound relationship between our inner world and the external world we experience. His work, including books like The Power of Awareness and lectures, continues to influence people seeking personal growth and spiritual understanding. Central to Neville Goddard's philosophy is the belief that the human imagination is the creative force behind our reality. He suggests that everything we experience in our lives, whether positive or negative, is a direct result of our thoughts and imaginings. In essence, he claims that we have the power to shape our world through our imagination. Neville Goddard emphasizes two key concepts in his teachings: assumption and feeling. Assumption refers to the idea that we must assume the feeling of our wish fulfilled in our imagination. In other words, we should visualize and mentally experience the outcome we desire as if it has already occurred. This mental state should be charged with strong positive emotions. Goddard also stresses the importance of our inner conversations. He encourages individuals to be mindful of their self-talk and thoughts. Negative or self-defeating inner dialogues, he claims, can create undesirable outcomes in our lives. To harness the power of imagination, we need to engage in inner conversations that align with our desires. Goddard sees faith as intimately connected to imagination. He argues that faith is the subjective state necessary to bring our desires into reality. In this context, faith is not based on religious beliefs, but on the deep inner knowing that what we imagine will manifest. Goddard outlines several techniques to harness the power of imagination effectively. Mental rehearsal. Visualize the desired outcome in your mind's eye. Go through the scenario as vividly as possible with all your senses engaged. This technique is used to manifest specific events or situations. Affirmations. Repeating positive affirmations that reflect your desired reality can help reprogram your subconscious mind and influence your thoughts and feelings. The use of sleep. Goddard suggests that the moments just before sleep are particularly potent for creating new mental habits. By mentally dwelling on your desired outcomes as you drift off to sleep, you plant the seeds for their realization. Living from the end. This technique involves living your life as if your desires have already been fulfilled. Act and think as though your goals have been achieved, fostering a sense of certainty and inevitability. Imaginal acts. Goddard introduced the concept of imaginal acts, which involve vividly imagining a scene that implies your wish is fulfilled. The act should be simple, concrete, and emotionally charged. Transcending limitations. Neville Goddard teaches that our limitations are often self-imposed and shaped by societal conditioning and past experiences. To transcend these limitations, he advises individuals to explore their own imagination and have faith in its transformative power. Through focused and disciplined use of the imagination, one can create a new reality that aligns with their desires. Ultimately, Goddard's teachings are a call to shift one's consciousness. He argues that our imagination is the bridge between our current reality and the reality we wish to create. By persistently and consistently imagining our desires as fulfilled, we change our beliefs and assumptions, leading to a transformation in our external circumstances. In summary, Neville Goddard's teachings on the power of imagination emphasize that our thoughts and imaginings have the ability to shape our reality. By assuming the feeling of the wish fulfilled and engaging in positive inner conversations, we can consciously create the life we desire. Through techniques like mental rehearsal, affirmations, and living from the end, we have the potential to transcend limitations and manifest a new reality. Goddard's philosophy is a profound exploration of the mind's creative potential and its role in shaping the world we experience. Thank you for watching the video about Neville Goddard's teachings. You can share your personal law of attraction experiences in the comments, and I can make a video about them too. Please subscribe to The Imagination Effect, like this video, and share it with your loved ones. and I will continue to bring you the best manifestation videos. Stay powerful and practice the power of your imagination.